Today is September 14th, Wednesday, September 14th, 2022, about 4:45 in the afternoon now. And this is the view from the house I'm renting now in a part of Aegina called Kypseli. And as you can see, it's up on a hill. So it's got a great view and also a nice breeze that keeps things cool. The downside of that is getting here, sometimes with a very, very heavy backpack full of food when I've come back from the supermarket, which is about 40-minute walk away, and having to climb up the hill to get back to the house. This is just a little view of this steep road that's leading up from the area below, and then the winding roads to the supermarket. So, like everything else, it's got its pluses and minuses. But today, to celebrate, yes, my birthday, I am going to pick some almonds. There's an almond tree back here. I'm going to go back here and fill a little red tin with almonds from an almond tree that I found a few days ago. I don't think I'd ever seen an actual almond tree before. So this is the almond tree that I'm going to harvest right now. I've picked a few already, quite a few, but just to give you a look, there are the almonds growing at the ends of the branches, the low hanging fruit. So I'm going to pick a bunch of these, and I did this the other day when I first found the tree. I just picked a few almonds off to see what they tasted like. I'd never actually done that before. I'd never seen an almond tree before. I'm going to reach up here and just grab, let's say this one. Let's see, where's my hand? There it is. So there it is, the almond. And the shell comes off, this outer shell comes off very easily. And then you have to crack open the shell underneath that, which is what we usually see when we go to buy bags of almonds at the grocery store. I'm going to add it to my little red tin that I've already picked, and I'll go back and pick all of these beautiful little almonds that taste so good. I think I'll add them to maybe my tzatziki or something that I'll have for dinner tonight. Okay, signing off. So this is a little tour of the house. You see it's surrounded by olive trees. And the olive trees go all the way down the hillside, several orchards of them. This is the front door, my little sitting place to get my sunbathing in. Got to keep up the tan, you know. And then inside, it's a one bedroom, something like 50 square meters, whatever that amounts to. And here's my little writing table where I sit and crank out the words. It's got a working fireplace. I've got all the shades and curtains drawn because it's still hot here in Greece. And I have the fan on. And here's the kitchen. It's got a little washer there. And we go around to the bedroom. Down a couple of steps. I have to be careful here. So let's watch out. 1, 2. And there's the bed where I dream those great dreams. Little, I guess, clothes closet. And going around this room, a couple more windows, and there's my little sitting place for sitting in the morning and stretching and having my hot chocolate. And finally, the bathroom. It's a nice little bathroom. Very clean, easy to keep. And back out to the main room. So there it is. Here it is, September 14th. Probably home for at least a couple more months till middle of November, when it starts, I imagine, to get chilly here, and I'll be seeking out the warmer climes of Cambodia, middle to the end of November. Who knows, maybe I'll last to the beginning of December or so. But something like that. And there it is, signing off.